Hi everyone, I'm Ryan at Marine Parts Source. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at these hydraulic steering kits from Dometic Marine, formerly known as SeaStar Solutions. Now these two kits are for outboard powered boats. There are inboard and stern drive hydraulic steering kits available, and you can check our website to see those. But these two kits are for outboard powered boats. We've got the BayStar kit here, which is for engines up to 150 horsepower. And we've got the SeaStar kit, which is for engines up to 350 horsepower. Both of these are for single station boats. There are additional kits available if you want to add a second station. So let's open these up and see what components are included. So let's just open up one of these. Let's open up the BayStar kit. There's a lot of similarities between both of these. There's a few differences that I'll mention. So let's get all of these components out, and then we can talk about them. Okay, so as you can see, this is the BayStar kit. It comes with a variety of components, everything that you're going to need to install or upgrade a hydraulic steering system on your boat. Comes with an instruction booklet, so does the SeaStar kit. Always very important to read through this thoroughly. It comes with 2 quarts of hydraulic steering fluid, and this is also something that's included in the SeaStar kit. Now, what's really important, of course, is going to be the helm pump and the cylinder. The SeaStar kit will also include the helm pump and cylinder, though they are different models. Again, the SeaStar kit is being used on larger boats, so the pump and the cylinder are going to be different for that specific application. The BayStar kit has these as well, but they're for smaller boats. And then we're going to have hydraulic hoses that are included. Now this is a big difference with the SeaStar kit. The SeaStar kit does not include these hydraulic hoses that are preformed, already have the fittings on them. That's going to be something you have to purchase separately for the SeaStar kit. Now if you've got a larger boat up to 350 horsepower, you're going to want to measure exactly what length of hoses you're going to need, buy the correct fittings, and have them swedged onto the hoses. It also comes with a variety of fittings that you're going to need to connect it all together, and it's going to come with the fill tubes as well, which is included in the SeaStar kit. So there you have it, all the components that are included in our hydraulic steering kits. Now don't forget, the BayStar kit does include your hydraulic hoses. The SeaStar kit, which is for the larger engines up to 350 horsepower, does not include hoses. Those had to be purchased separately. Hydraulic steering systems can be complicated, and if you have questions, we have ABYC certified experts who can give you answers. Just give us a call at 866-388-0390. You can find us online at marinepartssource.com. Please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and if you'd like to leave a comment or have a suggestion for a future video, please leave it below. Thanks so much for watching.